All right, welcome to update number 2 on the outdoor kitchen. You can see there's a dump trailer behind us and we have been busy. This shirt used to be black, now it is brown. This hat used to be black as well. Yeah, we are not there right now. But as you can see, here's where we are. Nice dump trailer full of some dirt.
Load number 3.
Yeah, this is load number 3, full of dirt. So last time, I believe we were about right here, and this is what you saw. What we started thinking about was, after we looked at the size of the kitchen and how much patio we were going to have left, we really wanted to make sure we had enough patio for the kids to play with and enjoy. So what we did this last weekend is this. We extended the size of our patio all the way out to here. So this is our patio. Come in over here. And if you look, here's the pavilion post that we put in the ground. So pavilion will go here to there, over to that post, back to this post. We have gas that will come in right here, directly underneath the gas appliances. And over here we have our electric, our drain, our plumbing, and our gas lines running branches off about in here. But all that is into the house here. We have a little bit of our pavers that have been delivered. It's going to take a total of 8 pallets of pavers to do this project. So a pretty sizable project, but we have quite a bit of it that is already ready to be able to make this weekend's project happen. So for this weekend, we are going to lay the foundation of the modified 53 stone base and move on from there. So that's where we are this week. We've made the patio bigger, got the forms down, concrete to come. Pretty soon, we're gonna be laying pavers. We're gonna have this thing moving along. So excited to show this to you. But there's update number 2. Hopefully you're following along. Share this video with some friends. Show them the insanity that we're up to here at the Barbecue Lab. And we thank you for joining us. But hope to see you next time right here on the channel.